You just delivered a huge order. Heavy bags, 4 flights of stairs, no elevator. And you check the app, 0 tip. Why do customers do this? Let's break it down. Let's talk about it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're going to like this. Let's get into it. But before we get in this video, let's go ahead and do a delivery. I got a delivered $48, 14-mile catering order. Let's go ahead and drop this off. This should be easy. Got my trusted red bag. Let's go ahead and knock this out. Right here, pickup was easy. I'm gonna go ahead and put this order in the bag. One of the workers helped me bring this order out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the bag once I get to the location. Let's go knock this out. All right, people, so got the order in the bag. Don't mind the bags. Grubhub, I know DoorDash, they still get the job done. Let's go ahead and knock this thing out. Okay, y'all, just dropped off that order. But the craziest thing happened. When I went to go drop the order off, I noticed that the door was locked to this office. So I called the number on the delivered app for the customer, and the customer said that to cancel the order because the AC is broken in the office. My gosh, it's so hot in there. But that's never happened to me before. To cancel an order that I already have, she was telling me to bring it back. So I was on the way to bring it back, but the gentleman who actually made the order saw me up there, and I just gave it to him. And we actually went to a park and dropped off the food for homeless people to have something to eat. It's not something that I wanted to put on here, but I mean, I just think that was nice. Since it was canceled, the guy just wanted to give the food away. I didn't want to take it, so that was just something nice. That's the good deed for today. That was the good deed for today. So that means today's gonna be an amazing day. Let's get on with the video. Why is it most customers think we get paid more than we actually get from these apps? They think the delivery fee come to us when they get charged, but it's absolutely not true. Let me break down some of the reasons why I think we're not getting the tips we deserve. At least some of us, to be quite honest, because some of these drivers are raggedy. But I ain't here to talk about that at all. Let's get into some of the reasons. Number one, they think we already get paid more. A lot of customers genuinely believe DoorDash pays us $15 to $20 per hour. Nah, it's more like $2.75. That pay ain't cutting it. They don't realize the tip is actually what saves us. The tips help us so much. Number two, bad past experience. Some folks had a bad dasher once. Somebody was late, rude, cold food, and now they don't tip nobody. It's unfair, but it happens. One bad apple spoils the whole delivery bag for all of us. Sad, but it is what it is. Let's get into number three. Regional differences. In some areas, tipping is just not common. All this depends on where you're dashing. Like if you're in New York or California, you probably get tipped more than somewhere like Idaho, maybe. Get into number four. They're strapped for cash. Let's be real. Groceries are high. Rent is high.
I represent the rent is too damn high party.
Gas is high. Some people are just broke. Ordering with promo codes and praying the food even show up. A tip? They don't even want to pay the service fee. So you already know they don't want to tip you. because they don't really have the money to tip to begin with. So that could be a reason. Let's go into number 5. They don't see the human side. To them, we're just a red dot on the screen. Once you remove the human element, it's so much easier. Folks just don't care. They'll leave you a 0 even to save their night. So it's just like, because they don't see you, it's like when you go to somebody's house and you go to deliver and they're standing behind the curtains peeking if you dropped it off or not, so they don't have to see you. That is, I feel like, I mean, when they don't see you, it's like, I don't put the human side to it, so why tip these folks? If you've ever wondered why your tips are low, now you know. But here's the real question. Should we still accept these no-tip offers or these no-tip orders? I say, heck no. If you don't tip, we skip. We make money by the tip, and I understand things are hard for people out here. It's not as easy, but come on, this is how we make money. And if you want a service, you should tip, especially if I'm providing a good service. So if you don't have the money to leave a little extra, go get the food yourself. It's that simple. We're using our vehicles, we're using our gas, we're using our phone. DoorDash doesn't pay us. So for those who continue to think that we're paid by DoorDash, we are not. If you're getting value from this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys are having a good summer. I hope this weather isn't kicking your butt, because here in Texas, it is. It's hot as heck. But I hope you guys are doing well out there. And until the next one, is your boy AD signing out. Peace out.